I have two pear trees. One flowers about 2 weeks before the other. Is there something I can do so two pear trees flower at the same time? And this is Lynn. So what do you think about that?
I think she's got two different varieties of pear trees, because all the same varieties usually bloom about the same time. And she can look at it this way. She gets an extended period of bloom in her yard, because one blooms for a couple of weeks and a couple of weeks later the other ones bloom. So she has a succession of blooms for her pear trees.
Yeah, that's what I think it is. It's just two
Nice.
different varieties, right? Yeah, you get the same ones, yeah, they bloom at the same time. If you don't, yeah. One is a couple of weeks or so after the other.
That's right.
Yeah, because outside of that, I don't know what else you could do about it,
No.
basically, yeah.
No,
Probably nothing.
no. Mother Nature is going to be Mother Nature.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.